Good morning. So, in Unit 3, we completed almost half of the part. Okay, so we started with the diffraction, and that is the Unit 3 syllabus. So, we have two types of diffraction, Fraunhofer and Fresnel diffraction. So, under Fraunhofer diffraction, we have seen various things like diffraction pattern formed due to the single slit and diffraction pattern formed due to the circular aperture and due to the double slit, and also with the n slits formation for diffraction or the Fraunhofer diffraction due to the diffraction grating. Okay, so we covered all these topics through these our classes. Okay, now one of the important short answer type question is what is the limit of resolution? Okay, it is very important to the short question point of view. So what is a limit of resolution means? So it is also known as the resolving power. Okay, the limit of resolution is also named as resolving power, as well as it is also known as religious criterion or criterion. Okay, so observe the diagram. So before observing the diagram, just focus on the definition of the limit of resolution, or what is the resolving power. Okay, if you know the resolving power, then we can calculate the resolving power for the grating, as well as we can determine the wavelength, okay, by using the diffraction grating. So to know the particular the diffraction grating resolving power, what is the minimum definition of it is means the smallest distance, okay, by which two points in the object are separated from each other such that their images are just seen as separate images is known as limit of resolution or resolving power. Means this is a smallest limit of resolution, or the resolving power is the smallest distance. Let us consider an object. So what is the limit of resolution of the object means? So it is the smallest distance between the 2 points in the object separated each other. Okay, 2 points separated, the single object is going to be separated into two objects in which the object is going to be form their images, separate images. Okay, it is known as resolving power. So it is a minimal distance or the smallest distance which is separated by the object to see a separate images of a particular object is known as limit of resolution. So according to the religious criterion, okay, according to the religious criterion, these two close images of same intensities. Okay, so I said we form the two images. Okay, so what is a religious criterion means? Religious criterion means the two closed images, okay, two close images of same intensities are said to be separated if the central maxima of one coincides with the first minima of the other. Okay, so what is the religious criteria? Means as the two images are going to be formed, two separate images are going to be formed, but with the same intensities they are going to be formed and they are separated if the central maxima of one, okay, central maxima of the one image coincides with the first minimum of the first order, then it is used to measure the resolving power of an objective lens. So if the central bright image of one falls on the first dark ring of the other, the two images are said to be separated. If the central image, okay, if the central images are formed as bright, so as the bright images falls on the first dark ring of the other, then the two images are said to be separated. So this is known as limit of resolution. Okay.